Get ready to be briefed. Power of Next News Brief. Greetings to our clients, friends, colleagues, strategic partners, project teams, and advisory board members. We're sending you our best for a Happy New Year, 2020. To say that we were taken by surprise is an understatement. The year took us, like many others, through ebbs and flows to which we had never seen before. We went from this amazing high of the first quarter to the devastating health concern at the start of the second quarter. The ongoing health concern has presented many problems, bringing with it uncertainty, disappointment, empathy, and action. Also, the challenge provided an opportunity for transformation into love, hope, perseverance, and resilience. I can't express in words the impact and to what magnitude this year has had on each of us personally, on the family unit, on our regional, national, and global communities. It could be felt from the most micro to the greatest macro parts of every industry. The grief and the pain, the victories and the triumphs, each validated from experiences far and wide. If you followed us on social media for any amount of time, you may have noticed that we designate the last quarter and the last month to recap, to regroup, and to recast our vision for the upcoming month, quarter, and year. 2021, after 2020, is the most anticipated, the most welcomed, and the most appreciated year to come. We haven't been more grateful to be with loved ones, doing what we love, and solving problems wherever we might find ourselves. We stayed committed to serving, taking care of ourselves, pouring into others, and putting to the forefront those things that are the most important in this life. In 2019, we shared 5 initiatives for 2020. Despite great adversity, we were able to sustain and make small advances on each one. So we're happy to report our firm was web-based and prepared prior to the health concern to deliver service, product, onboarding, training, and operational support digitally and online. As such, we found ourselves maintaining and preserving as we coasted through this moment of lamentations. Our management systems worked well and stood the trying test and challenges of the pandemic, which is great news as owners. It speaks well to the business sustainability, the impact of the management systems, and our productized service offering. It provides continued confidence among those who are connected to this effort in some form or fashion. Thank you for your support to Urbanetectonics LLC, doing business as the BOMAC companies. There is a certain dedication you've placed with our organization, and your support, participation, input, and feedback as a client, a team member, or by some other role is greatly appreciated. We do not take your loyalty lightly, and to show our gratitude, we will periodically inform you of client gifts, discounts, or benefits throughout the year that we can or have passed on to you as a token of our appreciation. So what's the buzz for 2021? New Year's resolutions? Nah, just more management solutions. The big question is, with all the uncertainty, what are our goals for the industry divisions within Urbanetectonics LC as we transition into 2021? We continue to provide Power of Next management built upon the continued provision of viable resources, visible expertise, competent service, and quality products demonstrated through 10 project types, serviced over 12 industries, delivered by 4 different organizational teams for owners, managers, and administrators who need quality management solutions. Our first 100 days will shift to our 2021 quarterly focus. The quarterly focus concentrates on the top industry-specific service and products for each region in Texas and now Ohio. The top regional focus for Ohio includes some of the top services that we think will be in demand, which is project management, management consulting, and the top industries of concentration will be manufacturing, whether automotive, aluminum, food, metals, and products. We also will be looking at some distribution, warehouse, and logistics. In the area of technology, we'll be looking at digital transformation, automation, and paperless technologies. The business brokerage, we will be looking for owners, managers, and administrators who want to utilize the Smart Biz Facts. And then we are developing a service for post-care patients in the area of healthcare. The top regional focus for Texas has shifted a bit as well. We still see the top services being project management and management consulting, and industry concentrations similarly will shift to manufacturing in the areas of manufacturing of products, automotive, and food. And then also looking into distribution, warehouse, and logistics, more of a supply chain support. Technology being the second industry of concentration in Texas. This tech area will be in data coding and software, then also business brokerage, servicing owners, managers, administrators with the Smart Biz Facts, and as we indicated, developing services, and as and fourthly, developing services for post-care patients in the healthcare sector. So these will be our quarterly focus going into 2021. If you are interested in Urbanetectonics LLC and or one of its industry-specific divisions, feel free to make contact using one of the methods outlined on the attached communication resource. That communication resource, we annually submit that every year to make sure you have the most updated information or updated contact information each year. And so we provide a technical resource that has our websites, our phone numbers, our video call, conference call numbers, as well as any project management software that we may use, social media links. So if you are looking for us or looking for industry-specific division so that you could gather with like minds on a particular subject matter, then the technical resource that outlines contact and communication information should help you along that lines. Power of Next, got the news? Consider yourself briefed.